Yo. So today, we're still tying up loose ends. So we're going to finish my last sign I got today, and then we'll see what we do tomorrow. I got some chores I need to get done. So run that chores. Run the intro. Welcome back, everybody, to the Blue Wagon Noise channel with another episode of Dickin Ran in the Shed. We're going to finish this up. I got that orange painted. Turned out pretty good. But now I got to put black around it. Oh, my neighbor says he don't have a Harley no more. He ain't had one in years. But he gave me this. Pretty good. He said they guy from Lockheed Martin cut it out on a CNC machine, a laser cutter, I don't know. Anyway, so I guess that's what Lockheed Martin does in their spare time. Make Harley signs. I need some tape. Alright, so I want to take this up. So, yeah. Just taping up what I don't want to be black. So let me do that. Then you can get to watch paint dry. So, time to rotate the tires on the old pick 'em up truck. So you need a screwdriver to pop the cap off. That did it. You need a socket 20. These are 21 millimeters. Mics. You need a torque impact gun or an air gun, however you want to do it. A jack and a jack stand. So let me get that started. All right. So we got one wheel. We got it jacked up on two corners. Yeah, here's it's being painted. So I'll let that dry for a first coat. Move around over here. You take your front wheel off. You take this wheel off. You take that wheel off. Put it on the back corner back there. So let's do that. There we go. You don't want to lose your lug nuts. It's bad. Alright, we got that off. You don't want to lose your lug nuts. There's 5 of them. 5 on, 5 off, 5 on. And check it. Yep, we still got brake shoes. I should have did that. Should have left it standing up. But now I got a place to sit. Ha ha ha. Five off. Yep. Still got brake shoes back here. This goes up to the front corner. Uh-huh. Alright. I guess, I don't know. Alright. I'll repeat the process. What? 2 more times, 1 more time, 4 more times, 3 more times. Alright, that's done. That's hot. And you gotta stick this thing back on. I guess there's a certain way it gotta go. Yep. Alright, drop your jack. You picked the fine time to leave me loose, Will. We got that chores done. Ain't done till you put the tools up. Whew. Ouch. That's hot. Alright. We're done. Second coat of paint on the project. Okay, you sit right here and watch that paint dry. You actually think I'm gonna let you sit there and watch paint dry? I'm gonna go in and get me some more armor. Whew. Fall's on its way. Oh me. And just think, we'll be in the mountains next week, maybe. Not really next week. Well, actually, it'll kind of be next week, but not really next week. Then a week after that, be 2 weeks. Well, whatever. Whew. Go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here, and we'll catch you on the next chores.